Hi, I'm Vita. In today's world of rapid industrialization and urbanization, some tasks remain incredibly challenging. Graffiti on high-rise walls, rust removal on large ships and steel structures. Workers dangling in the air is risky. Today, let me introduce our exclusively designed, independently developed, automatic industrial solution, the post-laser cleaning wall climbing robot. We have integrated two major technologies, intelligent wall climbing and precision laser cleaning, to easily solve cleaning tasks at heights and on vertical surfaces. Let's look at the design. This robot features an industrial-grade metal climbing structure. Its custom magnetic adhesion platform uses permanent magnets for stable suction, securely attaching to various vertical metal surfaces. It climbs 90-degree walls and easily overcomes welds and slight bumps. The durable body has IP54 rated protection, ensuring stable operation even in harsh cleaning environments. Now, see it in action. More importantly, its cleaning efficiency reaches 32.4 square meters per hour. Whether it is ink graffiti on the wall, rust and oxide scale on the metal surface, or even stubborn oil stains, it can accurately remove them. Furthermore, it eliminates the safety risks of traditional manual work. Operators simply control the device remotely from within 10 meters. Our robot offers maximum theoretical cleaning height of 10 meters and a remote control range up to 100 meters, with a top movement speed of 0.5 meters per second. A single operator can efficiently handle cleaning tasks around multiple areas. As an innovative product exclusively developed by HANTENCNC, its advantages go far beyond the wall climbing cleaning. The equipment adopts a modular design, allowing the laser unit and wall climbing robot to be quickly disassembled and reassembled, flexibly switching between wall climbing and handheld modes. Whether it's cleaning the surface of large ships, removing rust from industrial steel structures, or removing graffiti on high-rise walls, this equipment can handle it all with ease. Choosing it means choosing a safer, more efficient, and more economical cleaning solution.